Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is not somewhere you guys would normally see the camera angle for, but it is that time of the year. We have got new keycaps. Now, I've actually ordered this for year 2, and Yet's gonna have the exact same. But like mine's like I think this is like the full pack. I don't know. It's a little bit different than Yet's, but it's pretty much the same color. But I wanted to get these two because these look so sick. They look so sick. Honestly, they look so sick. Like imagine that on that. Honestly, that would look pretty good. But you know, we're gonna be unboxing this, putting this onto there, and you know, doing all that crap. But yeah, let's get into this. Let's start unboxing it, and we're gonna be taking off these. Actually, we'll just take off these keycaps first. It makes it seem more proper to do that. You know, if we just take them off first, then it will be more proper. There we go. Now, this keyboard is very dirty. Holy crap. I'm just gonna freaking empty it out and I'm gonna clean it around. So I'll be back, guys. Alright, we are back. I've cleaned it a little bit, not too much, but I cleaned it a little bit. So let's go get this bad boy right here and let's start putting them on. I'll probably do a time lapse of me like putting them all on and all that, and yeah, we'll get I'll probably angle it so it's like you can see it. There we go. Alright, let's get into this now. Open these up. Finally finished the keyboard. Look at this right here. Whew. Look at that. That looks pretty mad, I reckon. And I'm just loving how it's looking right now, like full on. It looks so nice, honestly. Look at that. Now let's see it with the colors. Oh, come on, let's go. Find the port, wherever that is. Sheesh. Oh, damn, that looks like a Ducky 1.2 mini, full on. And like the colors actually like work on this. Like the colors are actually, oh my god. Right, guys, okay, that's amazing right there. The rest of these are not going to be in use because these are all for the 100% keyboard. So I'm going to be putting it in my keyboard collection place. So that's pretty much it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on the noties, come on, you got to turn it on. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos because yeah, there will be more out today, I think, hopefully. But other than that, that's pretty much it. So yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, turn the notification bell, and yeah, I will see you guys later in another video. Peace.